It's my daughter Gayatri's first year birthday celebration, but where's the birthday girl? Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. What is this preparation going on? This is my daughter Gayatri's first year birthday celebration. And yes, it's officially her face reveal vlog on YouTube as well. The most awaited vlog, the most asked question on my YouTube comment section is when is baby's face reveal? Today is the day, and we are doing a Satyanarayana Puja, Ganahoma in the morning, Satyanarayana Puja, and baby's birthday. So this is the morning breakfast: buns, idli, karkala cake. This is sambar, and that is coffee. Everything is hot. Oh, there's chutney also. Nice, everything is hot. Yeah, so this is Mangalore buns, this is sambar, this is karkala cake, this is idli and chutney. Come, let's taste. Sambar is good. Karkala cake is very good. Sudarshan Naik catering, this is amazing food always. And we have Nandin Pachi here to make me look gorgeous. Thank you. Welcome. She's here. Sari is done, and this is the new blouse. This is the sari, and now we'll do the makeup and then the hair and some jewelry. We are halfway through. Today is my baby's happy birthday to you and our yearly Satyanarayana Puja at home. Today is February 1st. My daughter's birthday is on January 31st. And on February 1st, Sunday, we are doing the puja as well as the birthday celebration today. And yeah, this is going to officially the face reveal of the baby on YouTube. We had the Satyanarayana Puja in the morning. This is my brother Ganesh Kamath and Vanni Varsha Kamath who sat for the Ganahoma, and this was the Prarthana. This is our beautiful Devara Kone, that is the Gharka Mandir. My father started this tradition of doing Satyanarayana Puja, that is Ganahoma with Satyanarayana Puja yearly on 27th or 28th of January, and it's been about 32 years that we've been doing this, and we wanted to continue his legacy.
प्रणवस्य परमेष्टि ब्रह्मणसि परमात्मा देवता देवी गायत्रीं प्राणायामि विनियोगः ओम भूः भुवां स्वः महां दरं तपां सत्यं ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात् उद्धतुन्दरलं जोचे.
That's the final look. Wow. That's Nandin Pachi who got me into this look. Thank you. Wow, this is looking so good. Thank you. Also watch the video till the end because there's a lot of surprise.
इंद्राय नमः अग्नयाम अग्नये नमः लक्ष्मीमाय नमः नृत्यां नृत्ये नमः पश्चिमे प्रदाय नमः वायव्यां वायवे नमः उत्तरे सोमाय नमः ईशान्याम् ईशानाय नमः मध्ये श्री यज्ञपुरुषाय नमः आयानुदेवं पुरुषं महान्तं कोडरन्तुगल.
For the Satyanarayana Puja, this ritual is called Gade Udda, that is, we come near the Tulsi and do puja, and we bring a small pot of water, and also we bring the god's idol here, and then drishti is taken off the god's idol with showing kumkum water, and then we take the god's idol inside the house and do sthapana, and then the puja is done. Here there is melodious bhajan by all the ladies in the house.
समर्पयामि ओमहीर्य भगोगे पर्ये दिवाहुं जाया हेति मर्दार्थमानः सदा समर्पयामि चित्र
And the Satyanarayana Puja Aarti, may Lord Satyanarayana bless all my viewers. And the time has come for the face reveal. Are you ready for it? Yes, let's go. This is how baby Gayatri looked on the day she was born. And this is her 1 year later. Introducing Gayatri Kamath Bhatt to all my viewers and well wishers. Please send her lots of love and blessings and best wishes. And now Hari Prasad Bhatt mom is doing the prarthana for us to get the fall of the Satyanarayana Puja.
प्रार्थना ಕೊಂದ್ಯೋಚೆ ದೇವಾಲಯ ದಯನ ಮಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಕರ್ತನ ದೇವನ ಚಾಂಗ ಜಾನ ಸಿದ್ಧಸರೆ ಜೀವನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಕೋಲ್ ಮಂತನ ಏಕ ತುಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನತ್ತಿರೆ ಜನ್ಮ ದಿವಸಾಗೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಕರ್ತನ 5 ದಿವಸಾಗ ಏಕನಾರಿ ಕೇಳ ಪುರಸ್ಸರ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ ಹವನ ತಶೀಚಿ सत्यनारायण स्वामी आराधना हे सर्व कोण घेऊन देवाला प्रसाद स्वीकार को बाहेर ते चालला का 5 दिवसाक एक आरती बघतो एक कार्यक्रम हे सर्व इष्ट मित्र बंधू बांधव सर्व जणांना घेऊन परत भाग्य परमात्मा अनुग्रह केला विशेष दान घेऊन त्यांचे इकडे नंदन मामान आणि देवाला आराधन को नेलीस की 5 दिवसाक विशेष दान त्यांगले जबाबदारी सर्व जण उठू दान घेऊन आराधन केल्यास त्यांकदरीचे मनोधैर्य स्थैर्य आयुर आरोग्य भाग्य अनुग्रह कोरका को प्रसाद तसे धनम धान्यम शुभ गुरुत्रलाभम सर्वसंवत्सरम दीर्घमायुः प्रसाद तंकरम.
And then we did the Savashini Puja, that is, a married woman is treated as Devi. So we wash her feet, give her haldi kumkum, flower, and then take her blessings and offer her bonti, that is Bagina. This is my mama's wife, Anita Pai, who was the Savashini that day. And we begin the birthday celebration. We belong to the GSB Konkani community. So first we began with Sheshe Aarti. That is, you show Aarti to the baby. And after that is what we proceeded with the cake cutting. And if you're wondering, Gayatri baby is so calm. No, no, no. This is calm before the storm. All the ladies in the house did aarti to the baby, and she was somehow distracted because there was aarti and they were putting akshat on her, that is rice grains on her. She is a very active baby, doesn't like to sit in a place, and she was looking at all ways to escape from here.
Monkey giraffe.
And this is Gayatri Baba's birthday cake, of animal themed cake, which we got it done from Just Bake Udupi, and it costed around 2,600 rupees. They did it very beautifully. She loved the cake. So many animals on it. And this is the knife with which we'll cut the cake. Gayatri hates it if somebody laughs loudly, and basically, yeah, she hates my laughter. I did not want to feed any sweet to the baby, hence, I ate it and gave it to my husband. And that's when everybody started laughing. So then, baby started crying loudly because everybody started laughing loudly, not because she didn't get the cake. As it was already late, I told everybody give the gifts to me itself and go for lunch because I lost hopes that she will come and sit here calmly. But thankfully, my mother calmed her down. This is my father in law and mother in law's gift for their granddaughter. They gave her gold earrings and also lots of toys and a sweet doll. And my mother gifted the baby a gold chain which was about almost 16 grams of gold. This is our gift to baby girl Gayatri, the necklace which we bought in Joe's Alucas. It is about 20 grams of gold. And yes, I did make a vlog of it. I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch it. Miguel Babba ka gift pulon bari kushi jala tala jana pulon kai kush jain tik jan mala jaina. She hates crowd, so she was very happy with the gifts, but she did not want people to come near her. My initial plans were to have a birthday party in the party hall, but then everybody around me told that first birthdays are best done at home and they are very chaotic because baby cries a lot and you'll regret your decision to have it in the party hall. And slowly I too realized that it is far fetched and I too dropped the plan. It was the best decision to host this birthday party in the house itself because we had about 100 people, and even then my baby was very cranky. And imagine if about 200 300 people attended. Oh my god, my baby would have been very cranky, I guess. If you have a baby, let me know how was your first year birthday experience of the baby, and I'm very curious to know if your first year birthday party went well. Let me know in the comments. Also, wait, if you're watching the video without hitting that like button, why are you doing so? Please hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's reach 10,000 followers by the end of 2026. I upload one long video every week and shorts almost daily. So hit that bell icon and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all these videos. Lot of friends and family attended Gayatri's birthday party. Thanks to everybody for coming and blessing our baby girl. See the struggle to get one picture clicked by Gayatri. There are 10 people behind the camera who are asking Gayatri to pose and distracting her so that she can see the camera and not cry. The Ganahoma, Satyanarayana Puja, and a birthday was a grand success as well as very exhausting too. These are my mother's sisters, Rajkamal sisters, in the frame. And then we went to have the lunch, which was the best part of any function. Yay! And when we went to have lunch, it was already 3 p.m. and Miguel book pura morngelali. So I could not enjoy the lunch much, but it was amazing food, and it was by Sudarshan Nayak Catering, Sapat and Kosumbari, Noncha, Bibba Upkari, Chanangashi with Kadgi, Kuwala Puli, Mensinkai, Panchkadai, Paneer Kurma with Rumal Roti, Gobi Manchuri, and then this Jahangir, Sheeta Saru, Dalitaya, and Unda, and Dudpak Kheer for lunch. And after the entire function was over, did I get time to shoot some reels? So that's the look. Thanks to Nandini, Savita Shenai for making me look this great on my big day, on my daughter's first year birthday. Oh, these are my nails. These are my bangles. And that's my earring. And that's my sari. It's my jewelry. Didn't you start the video? Yeah, you did. That's my choti. And oh, that's my lucky. Hey, lucky. Yeah. So we did the Satyanarayana Puja the way my father used to do it. Every year he's been doing it for 30 years now. We tried to, we wanted to continue it thanks to my mom and my husband and in-laws who supported, and we could do it along with my daughter's first year birthday. Thanks to Nalin Pachi, Bharatak Mav, and Moin Mav, and all my aunts and in laws for all the help and Randa Pritavane after the function. And here are some beautiful pictures that we clicked on the birthday. This was the red dress which I had made my baby wear, but she seemed very uncomfortable, so we just removed it and made her wear a simple pink dress. The photographer was Ratnakar Kotian from Darshan Studios in Udupi. He was amazing. And the caterer was Sudarshan Nayak Catering. Amazing food always. My sari is from Jayalakshmi Silks in Udupi, and the blouse is stitched by Lata Sukhalata Shetty in Udupi. And the blouse material I got it from Meesho. This is the cake from Just Bake. Let me know in the comments if you need more details. I'll give you all the details. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting me. Keep subscribing, keep liking the video, and keep supporting me. That's it for this video. Until then, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. That's it for this video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.
that's it बोल के 10 मिनट निकाल दिया तुमने